My name's Holly Taylor. I am Group Operations Director for Zipclip. I have been working for the company for 15 years. We have a dedicated in-house design team that can offer assistance on all projects, all the way from design to installation of the product through CAD systems and take-off calculation services. Our support doesn't end after the design stage. We are always available to support on-site, aftercare visits, and for any further information that the contractor or wholesaler might require. At Zipclip, we believe that technical training is very important. We can offer on-site training, also online training. This is through toolbox talks, product demonstrations, and site visits